Hey guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how to change background color on Squarespace. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Just before I do so, I'd like to point your interest and awareness at a link in the description of this video, which will take you to a free trial version of Squarespace. So if you want to try this out, if you haven't gotten an account there already, that'll take you directly to your own free trial version of this. So make sure to give that a click if you're interested. Alright, to change background color. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Then, once you're on the home page, look for the Edit button and click on it to go to the page editor. Next, you need to select the section whose background color you want to change. Hover over the section and you'll see a pop-up on the top right corner. Click on the Edit section. In the Edit section, click on the Background section where you can choose a color from the preset options or use the color picker to select a custom color. After you've selected your desired color, don't forget to hit the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it! You've successfully changed the background color on Squarespace. So, like I said, don't forget to check out some nice tools in the description. Thanks for watching.